Oh my gosh, it's so rainy. Henry, woo! There's bugs out here, huh? Hi, what is it? I can't get it until the rain is over. Alright, sweetie, I don't know if you can see how soaking wet. You want the rain to stop so you can get the bubbles? It is raining. It is pretty slippery. Oh, all right, the battery's low. Henry. Can you say something about the rain? Bye-bye, rain. Henry, look at the baby. Henry.
Stop the rain.
You want to stop the rain? What does the baby like the rain? Can you say bye-bye? Can you show me the baby going fast? Oh, there's a mosquito. Good job.